The writer had to meet the boy again the next Saturday evening at West Street. This time he had balloons of different colors. Then the writer gave him a 5 rupee coin and he gave him a balloon and balance of 2 rupees. Okay, and the boy gave to the writer a balloon and balance of 2 rupees. Then the writer is standing there and he asks to the some question of boy. Okay, the writer asks to some questions to the boys, like question like this: where do you study, what class? Okay, like this question he asks to the boy. Then that boy came closer to the writer and said his father died 4 years ago when the shell fell on him at Shiva Pragazam Street. Okay. Then that boy said, we are now living in Senganta. Okay, Senganta. And that boy and his mother and his younger sister lived there. And the boy said, my sister also studies and she is truly brilliant. And that boy said, I pondered. For the 3 burning stomachs, there had to be something to eat to fill them even halfway. Okay. Then he also had a burden to study. Could he handle all this? His posture showed that he could. Then the writer bought 3 more balloons from him. Okay. Then the boy said, why do you have 5 children? His voice revealed surprise. Perhaps he thought I was too young to have so many. Then the writer said yes and smiled. I didn't want to share with him the fact that I don't have any children. Okay, the writer didn't want to share. Okay, the writer doesn't have any children, and in any case there were plenty of children to give these balloons to. And the writer neighborhood is full of children of the right age for balloons, with quaint names like Kaushi, Chomi, and Thylak, Dwari, Vipul. All of them came to mind. The writer looked at him. He had moved away, calling out his balloons energetically. Without disturbing him any further, he is moved away, feeling himself content. So students, in this story, that boy character is very grateful character, because he was doing some work and he got money and he survived himself and caring the family, mother, sister, and his doing study, and with honest he's doing work and survive himself and survive the family. So it is very grateful character. Okay, the boy character is very grateful character.